Hi friends, welcome to Java Express channel. This is Venkat Bhaskar. Today we are going to see how to create directories in the Unix system and how I can create multiple directories. If you take an example in Windows system, if you want to create a directory, okay, you can right click and you can create the new folder, right? GUI is very easy to create, but in Windows, if I want to create through the terminal, how I can create? If in case if you want to create two folders or three folders, it's very easy to you. Okay, if I want to create, my requirement is I want to create 100 directories at a time, but in Windows it's very difficult, right? So in the Unix or Linux, the commands are very easy. Within seconds you can create how many directories you want. Okay, if I want to create 100 directories at a time, you can create. It's like a simple command. We'll see one use case example also. This is the directories concept. In previous tutorial we saw around some commands like a list of commands and how to create a file. If you want to see a calendar and a date, these all commands we saw, and those commands only in our keep on sessions we will use the same commands keep on for the shell scripting also. We'll look into that one. So creation of directories, just a simple. Okay, I want to create a some folder name like a test folder I want to create. Which command I need to use? See, mkdir means make directory. Okay, this is the command name you need to use if you want to create. How the syntax will be there? Mkdir space your folder name, then it will create the your directory. Okay, here we can see single directory how to create, and this is single directory, this is multiple directories. Like the way of creating the directories is different, right? We will see some use case and we will see some scenarios also, then you will be understood this part. Let me open my Ubuntu system. In VirtualBox I install the Ubuntu virtual machine, and I'm opening the terminal. Control Alt T is the shortcut. Just I'm maximizing. Control Shift plus. If I want to decrease, Control minus. Okay, now I want to know where I am. So if I want to know present working directory or current working directory, I already explained these commands in previous tutorial. If you have not understood, please go through once before watching this video. Okay, pwd means home and this is my username. Okay, now I want to navigate to the desktop. Cd space desktop, just click. If you want to, you can type if you want, otherwise click on the tab, it will pop up to you automatic. So cd desktop I change. Check my current working directory pwd. Just check here any files are available, list of files. Okay, only the weak folder is there. If you see, as part of initial section I explained the pwd cd change directory. This is a navigational commands. We have one particular session on the how to navigate directories in different ways, and this is a power of ls command. For the ls we have a lot of commands to know. This is a very big list command. Okay, now here I will create a directory mkdir. Okay, this is our syntax, make directory, and folder name I'm giving test folder. Okay, test. Now do ls command, ls hyphen l. See here, test is a directory. See, if you see here, d is indicates to directory. Okay, just if I create a file touch abc.txt, if you see now again ls minus l, see, hyphen is means text file, d is a test. Okay, if you want to try, make directory test abc1.txt. see, if you see ls minus l, see, same whatever you name given, same thing it will create the file. Okay, this is single directory you want to create. Okay, if I want to create multiple directories, okay, uh, how to create now? Make directory, you know this one, test2. Okay, just I created one more directory. Now mkdir space, I want to create multiple directories. How? dir1, dir2 and dir3, dir4. Okay, what will happen when I execute this command? Just click enter. See how what happened. ls minus here. See how many directories are created. See how many arguments you are passing. Space, it should be include directory 1, directory 2. If you given like up to directory 50 or multiple, it's a unlimited, you can create any number of directories. Okay, this is the way of creating multiple directories. Okay, you can see the same syntax in different way. Check, this is what will happen. Just I want to know directory 3 slash okay, already 4 directories were created, right? mkdir 5 slash dir 6 slash dir 7. When I enter this one, what will happen? Hope, I think everyone is assuming directory 5 created, directory 6 created, directory 7 created, right? When I click enter, see what is happening. Cannot create directory, no such file or directory. When you are passing slash to multiple arguments, what will happen? Before creating directory 7, it will check directory 6 exists or not. Before creating this directories exist or not. So at last argument, whatever it is there, it will create the directory. Previous things, it shell will check whether this directories exist or not. So we are getting no such file or directory. Still you want to create 5 6 7 at a time, then you need to pass one argument, make directory space hyphen p. See, now it will see ls hyphen l. See, directory 5. Okay, inside directory 5 there is directory 6. Okay, I'm navigating to inside directory. How I can use cd command dir 5. Okay, just I'm clearing the screen, clear clear, just do ls command. See, inside directory 6, cd directory 6, if you given, do the ls command, see directory 7 created. So you created 3 directories, right? My use case is like I want to create like 50 directories at a time. How I can do that? Okay, before going to that, you created like 5 6 7, like how tree will be there. There is a command tree is available in the linux. By default it won't available, you need to install the tree software. Okay, just I'm moving to my parent directory, cd space. Okay, just type tree command. It is showing in the different folder. Wait a minute. If you see here, I am in the desktop. Okay, before going to the desktop, let me clear my screen. cd directory file, type here tree command. See here, inside my directory file there is a 6 and there is a 7. If you create one more 8 9 10, the tree will be shown in this way. Okay, this is the use of the tree command. Now we'll go for the next use case. So you know, now you are very comfortable to create a single directory, then you are comfortable to create multiple directories, right? And if I want to create one directory inside one more directory, the command will be, you know, mkdir hyphen p. You need to give some a slash b slash c slash d. If you create, all directories will be created. Okay, if you want to go for cd a, just enter tree command. See, b c d. Okay, now this is an interesting topic. The next use case is, okay, I want to create how 100 directories at a time, right? So just I'm navigating to desktop, parent directory. Okay, now I will create one directory. It's a test directories. This is my parent directory. Okay, now ls, there is test just I'm navigating to this test directories. Please listen carefully this example. Okay, now you know this is my current working directory. If I enter the tree command, so no data exists. Okay, see the syntax mkdir. Okay, how I need directory 1, directory 2, directory 3 till 50 directories I need. How I can give, you can see here dir. This is my, in every folder name dir is a common, right? So open curly brace and closed brace. Now how many folders you want to create? 100 all the unique, right? You can type 1 dot 100. Like if you want to create to see 50 directories, if you immediately enter, it will create 50 directories at a time. See, within second it is creating. Okay, now see, if you want to know, see here how many directories are created. All directories are created. If you go for the tree structure, see, but inside directory any files are available? No, right? See, all numbers are unique, 1 2 3. It's like a regular expression. Okay, in the regular expression session I will explain the more detail how to use, but as of now this is for your clear understanding. Make how to create the directory, you can see this part. Okay, next, just I'm clearing the screen. Now you are comfortable to create a directory. Okay, maybe few people can ask okay, I'm creating unique numbers, so 1 to 100, but I want to create with multiple names. Okay, I don't want unique numbers, like I want, okay, Java one folder, Linux one folder, Unix one folder. Then how I can create? Okay, for that one I have one use case, I will explain you. Okay, if I go to my PPT, now we saw how to create directory, how to create multiple, and how to create unlimited number of directories. For the use case we took as 100. I'm giving as 100 here. Okay, then use case for example. Okay, please observe this use case. I have a week folder. Okay, week, 1 week has how many days? Like 7 days, right? Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday also we can include here, Sunday. Okay, so my use case is I want to create one week directory. Inside week directory I want to create these 7 directories. Okay, this is not unique, right? Previously we given 1 to 50, so it is happened 50 directories. Now this is different. If you see here, Monday, Tuesday, so 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 folders I need to create. Okay, this is my first requirement. Now you are comfortable to create how to create directory, right? So inside Monday, I for 1 day how many hours we have? 24 hours, right? So I want to create 24 log files. Okay, if you are working in IT industry in the project, it's based on the requirement. Every 1 hour I need to generate a log file. So per day 24 hours, right? So I need to create 24 log files at a time. How I can create? With the date. This is my use case. Okay, Monday, Tuesday. Inside Monday I want to create one log file. Example I can give. Log file will be like log test. I want to underscore, I want to create an year, I want to append 2020, I want to append my time. How I can append? Now time is 2:57, so 13 14, you can say 15. So you want to give colon also, if you want you can give, so some 21, some 34 seconds. So this is a better option, 21 13 seconds. So underscore file name, like here 1 or 2 or 3, like till 24 I need to create. That many log files I need to create. Now if you are understood, then we'll create in terminal, we'll see how I can create. Okay, now this is you understood, right? Now Okay, now I'm going to my desktop. Okay, if you will see how we can create simple directory. I'm create mkdir week underscore test. Okay, here we'll create our use case. Okay, now first requirement is what? I need to create the week folder, then I need to create these 7 directories, then I need to create a log file. Okay, need to create 24 log files. Before doing this step, this is the first step. Okay, this is the second step, how we can create. See, okay, you know very well mkdir, right? Which folder I want to create? Week slash now curly bracket closed bracket. Monday Tuesday is don't know about the Unix system, so I want to provide in this way: Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. So if I click immediately enter, you will get an exception. Check. Why? Because week folder is not exist. Whenever parent directory is not exist, you need to provide one argument. Which argument? -p. See, now all folders are created. Just check you are in which directory. Okay, we created in different directory. Let me go for week underscore test. Here we'll execute our command. Okay, this command. See, now you created. If you enter ls command week, just enter the tree command. See, under vk we have 7 files, right? Now in these 7 files I need to create 24 log files. How I can create? If I want to create an empty file, I need to use a touch command, right? Same command use. No need to do anything. Just touch touch command. These all folders are exist. Now slash starting with log test underscore, I want to append the date. If you want to append the date, you need to use command substitution. In previous session we explained, go through the tutorial to understand more. Okay, this is my command. Okay, this is command substitution. I am giving my date syntax. How I can give? Date plus percentage. I need year, so capital Y I can use. Then still which one I need? I need hours. Okay, then I need minutes, then I need seconds. This is okay. After that, now I want to create 24 log files. This is unique again, right? 1.24 log files .txt. If you immediately enter, in Monday we'll have 24 log files with different seconds. It's based on the time how it is creating. In the Tuesday, Friday, and every day it will be 24 log files. See, it's created. Now execute the tree command here. See here how many log files are created here. Every folder 24 log files are created. So in this way you can create number of things, number of use cases you can think. Please be practice more, then you will be a good at typing the commands. Okay, so in the next tutorial we'll see like how to remove these directories. If I want to remove an empty directory, if I want to create whole directories, what we created. So in the next session I will explain how to create the commands. Please subscribe our channel and click on the bell icon to get more updates. Thank you guys.